The Tesla Model X uses a 12-volt auxiliary battery to power low-voltage systems like lights, sensors, and the infotainment screen. This battery supplements the main high-voltage traction battery and is essential for vehicle operation. The 12-volt battery in the Tesla Model X is located in the front trunk, commonly known as the frunk. This dedicated space houses the auxiliary battery that powers the vehicle's low-voltage systems. To begin, open the frunk using your key fob or through the Tesla app. This provides access to the front compartment where the battery is secured. Once the frunk is open, remove the front trunk liner to reveal the underlying components. This liner protects the battery and other parts from debris and moisture. Next, locate the plastic cover over the battery compartment. This cover is typically secured with screws or clips and must be removed to access the battery directly. The 12-volt battery itself is mounted on the driver's side of the compartment. It's clearly marked with positive and negative terminals for safe handling. Remember to always consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions specific to your Model X year, as procedures may vary slightly by model or software version. Once you've accessed the battery compartment, you'll see the 12-volt battery with clearly marked positive plus and negative minus terminals. Tesla advises using insulated tools to avoid accidental shorts. For jump-starting, you'll also need to identify the 12-volt jump-start terminals connected to the main battery. These are also located in the frunk, behind a separate cover. Ensure you can easily access both the 12-volt battery terminals and the jump-start terminals before proceeding. Before jump-starting, ensure the main battery has at least 50% charge. Check this via the touchscreen display. Park your Model X on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off all vehicle systems. Gather your jumper cables, minimum 4-gauge and 10-foot length. Have insulated gloves and eye protection for safety. Never attempt to jump-start from another car's battery, as voltage mismatches can damage your Tesla. Connect the positive jumper cable to the main battery's positive terminal first. Then, connect the other end of the positive cable to the 12 volts battery's positive terminal. Next, connect the negative cable to the main battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the other end of the negative cable to a grounded metal point on the vehicle's frame, away from the 12 volts battery to prevent sparks. Double-check all connections before proceeding. Briefly start the vehicle by pressing the brake and power button to allow the 12 volts battery to charge from the main battery. After a few minutes, disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the negative cable from the frame, then from the main battery. Next, remove the positive cable from the 12-volt battery, and finally from the main battery. Ensure the cables don't touch each other or any metal parts of the vehicle during removal. Remember to follow the exact disconnection order to prevent sparks, electrical damage, or safety hazards. If the Model X doesn't start after jump starting, double-check all connections and ensure the jumper cables are properly attached. Common mistakes include incorrect cable connections, insufficient main battery charge, or using inadequate jumper cables. If problems persist, it's best to seek professional assistance. Note that improper jump-starting attempts may void your warranty. The 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model X recharges automatically in 3 ways: while driving, when plugged in for charging, or even in sleep mode. This ensures it stays ready to power auxiliary systems. Regularly monitor your battery's health through the Tesla app. Check for error codes like 12-volt battery low, and use the service section to request diagnostics if needed. Future Model X updates may replace the current 12-volt battery with lithium-ion versions for better longevity and performance. This upgrade would reduce environmental impact and improve reliability. Electrification trends in EVs are moving toward eliminating 12-volt batteries altogether, using capacitor-based or solid-state systems instead. This reduces weight and complexity in future vehicles. For now, following Tesla's guidelines for maintenance ensures your 12-volt battery remains in good condition and avoids common issues.